Today I'm going to show you exactly how to see which users you've blocked on Telegram using the desktop app. Whether you're curious about who's on your block list or just want to review or update those privacy settings, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to find, manage, and even unblock people if you want, all in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're on your computer because we're working with the Telegram desktop application, not the mobile app or the web version. So go ahead and launch Telegram desktop. If you haven't done this before, just look for the blue paper airplane icon, double-click it, and you're in. Sometimes the app takes a few seconds to load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while, so just give it a moment. Once Telegram is open, you'll see your chat list front and center. Now to navigate to the settings, look towards the very top left corner of the window. There you'll spot three horizontal lines, what people often call the hamburger menu. This icon is your gateway to Telegram's deeper features. Go ahead and click on those three lines. A sidebar will slide out from the left, revealing a bunch of options. From here, you'll want to select Settings. It's usually near the bottom, marked with a gear icon. If you're thinking about why we head to Settings, it's because everything related to your account, privacy, notifications, and more is managed right there. Clicking Settings will open up a dedicated window. Think of it like the control center for your Telegram experience. Now, once you're in Settings, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. There'll be a vertical menu with lots of different categories. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is really important. It's where Telegram bundles all your privacy controls, from who can see your online status to who can message you, and yes, your list of blocked users. Next, scroll down through the Privacy and Security settings. You'll notice lots of options, but stay on the lookout for blocked users. Depending on your Telegram version, you might be able to just click it directly, and if so, go for it. If it's more like a section, just tap on it and see what pops up. Right here is where the magic happens. You'll see a full list of every contact you've blocked on Telegram. You might be surprised by what you find. Telegram makes it really clear. Names, profile pics, and sometimes the reason you blocked them will be shown right here. If you want, you can unblock someone. Just click on their name and select Unblock. Or if there's someone new you need to add, there's usually an Add button right in this section as well. Reviewing this list regularly helps you keep your conversations comfortable and private. And remember, blocking and unblocking is always reversible, so don't stress about making a change. And that's it. You've now learned how to access your blocked users and manage them with confidence on Telegram desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Drop any questions you have below in the comments, and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to stay ahead with more easy-to-follow tech tips, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.